Hi, I'm Branddy, and this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be unboxing the April Witch's Roots. So last month I gave away a Witch's Roots box because it was my first ever video to go over 1,000 views, and I was super psyched. The only problem is I forgot to cancel my second order, so guess what? I have another Witch's Roots box to give away. So stay tuned to the end of the video to find out how you can win this amazing box. Let's check her out. It smells like heaven, let me just say. Oh, cornflower. Ooh. So guys, first of all, let me just say, I am a YouTube supporter and a YouTube creator. So I create content, but I also like to support my friends, and I watch as much of your content as possible, and I try to like and comment and really engage. But let me just tell you, I won't look at your box until I have opened mine, just because when I open this, I like to genuinely be just surprised, and then I'll go back and watch the ones that I have missed. So please know that I am watching yours. I love to see if there's variation, how you reacted. It's almost like we're having a joint conversation about the box, because I really don't have anybody in real life to talk to about this. So just FYI, thanks for your patience. This month is The Granted Wish. I'm going to read this at the end because y'all know I like to be excited. This is some beautiful art. It smells so good. Somebody, you guys are going to get this box and you're just going to love it. And that makes me so happy. These are incense and they smell just divine. I love cone incense. And I got a beautiful cone incense burner in several boxes, but the most recent one I got was from my Anita Apothecary, and it's just phenomenal. Blue cornflower. I actually do not have any of this in my apothecary. Let's check this out. Ooh! I wish I could capture the sparkle. I think I got a little there. Beautiful. I like to open the jewelry last. So this looks like a spewit. So this must be some sort of body oil. And also guys, if I say things wrong, I'm sorry. You can comment. I won't take offense, because I'm pretty sure that I was saying Hecate wrong. But I think I've got it right now. The Fae Ritual Body Oil. I gotta be honest, I put out offerings at, ooh, the smell. I put out offerings on the Sabbats for the Fae, but I don't really work with them because I am not trying to attract stick Indians. And I'm just really superstitious about that. So I usually leave them to their own devices and thank them for a beautiful garden and such, but I don't usually. Oh my god. Oh my god. You guys, look at this. I wish I could. Long story short, I don't try to summon anything. I just don't. I don't do it. I'm going to open this really carefully because last month I ruined one. I didn't ruin it. It's still good, but I was sad about it. Oh, look at you. You were so pretty. I love this box. I really genuinely love this box. I'm not sponsored. I don't get anything for doing this. I just literally genuinely love this product. And I feel like it probably shows. So just FYI guys, I'm a witchy box fangirl. So let's see what's in here. Oh wow. That is just, spread your wings. That is just beautiful. It's heavy. It says spread your wings. It is lovely. I needed this. It was a long day nursing, and I'm so grateful for these beautiful boxes for this like joy. Let's read a little bit about it. Alright, the true realm that our practice resonates within is that of wishes and intention. There are many small yet powerful ways to bring our manifestations into reality. These can simply be cast within a ritual focused around positive and direct thinking. So when working to bring our wishes to fruition, we rely on the energy of nature and all of the blessings that accompany her power. There's more, but I usually don't read this whole thing. Blue cornflower. The Fae Ritual Body Oil. Let me see what it is. It's got fractionated coconut oil. And it helps provide gratitude for our blessings. So let me see. It has almond, jasmine, chamomile, and vanilla. In addition, we have included blue cornflower, jasmine, and lavender herbs. Inside your oil, you will find a Lemurian quartz, and that's pretty cool. It also has some Truth Serum magical oil from their cabinet. Wish Upon Affirmation Spell Candle. That's this one here. And Celtic Butterfly Pendant with Change. They're beautiful. So beautiful. Oh, sorry, butterfly. Honey Calcite Tumble Stone. This is also really lovely. It's got a really nice shimmer. Lavender Sky Ritual Cone Incense. This smells like heaven. And the Grimoire artwork. So again, this is the art. This is everything. Now let's talk about how this can be yours. So I have an extra one here. And y'all know I love to share it with you. This is not anywhere near the last giveaway I'm doing. I have tons of giveaways coming up. I've almost got 1,000 views on Sugar Muses, so that's going to be a giveaway coming up. And I'm getting really close to 400, which will be another Korean beauty box and magical box that I'll be giving away too. So stay tuned for all of that. But what I want to say for this one is every time I give you guys a different task to enter to win this box, this one's a little bit more complicated. Because I think it's a happy accident and it's a good opportunity. So basically what I would like is, of course, like, and if you haven't already, subscribe. But I'd like for you guys to comment, what do you like about what I'm doing here? But also one nice thing and one thing you would like to see, like a different type of video you would like for me to do, or different types of content you would like to see on this channel. And I'm looking for your guys' opinion because I do want to grow and I do want to know what kind of things you guys would like to see anyway, so I can add different types of content to my channel, because I love boxes, but I feel like there's also lots of other stuff that we can share. So comment that, and of course you can get extra entries by following me on Instagram or Facebook or Pinterest. The only thing I ask is when you follow on those things, please leave me a comment or something telling me that you've liked, and like if your YouTube name is different than your Instagram name or your Facebook name, please let me know, because sometimes it gets hard and I'm trying to guess who is who, and I want to give everybody a fair shot. So basically, like, subscribe if you haven't already, comment what do you like, what kind of sorry, I'm saying a lot of ums, I'm so tired today. Comment what you like and what kind of content you would like to see if I was going to create some different types of content. And of course you can gain extra entries into this drawing by liking or leaving a comment on my Facebook, my Pinterest, or my Instagram. And I'm going to be pretty busy this week, so I'm going to let this contest run until Thursday night, and I will announce the winner on Friday, and I'm going to be mailing out the Monday coming up. So I hope that's okay for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. I love sharing this awesome box with you. It's really great. I'm going to leave the information in the description. 29 bucks, and this is an amazing box. It's a great value. It's got some really cool stuff, and it helps build up your ritual tools. It's perfect. So I'll see you guys soon. I can't wait to see your entries and your comments. Bye.